Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Monday, August 25th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Major currencies showed strength against their counterparts. The US dollar gained notably against the euro, rising 0.75%. Against the yen, the greenback maintained a very strong positive trend, while showing mixed trends against other major currencies. Looking at returns, currencies show varied performance. The dollar has declined 10.9% against the euro year-to-date, while showing a weekly gain of 0.76%. Against the sterling, the greenback is down 7% for the year. In Asian currencies, the dollar shows contrasting movements. It strengthened against the rupee for 4 consecutive days, with a very strong positive trend, while weakening against the offshore yuan for 3 straight sessions amid strong downward volatility. Year-to-date performance shows the greenback up 2.1% against the Indian rupee, while declining 2.4% versus the offshore yuan. The dollar maintains sideways movement against several currencies, including the Singapore dollar.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Global markets show strong positive momentum, with Turkey leading the way, up 0.67% and marking its 7th consecutive positive close. Israel and Brazil both display a very strong upward trends, while Philippines and Hong Kong maintain positive momentum. Looking at returns, Brazil stands out with a strong year-to-date return of 27.7%. Hong Kong follows with a 29.1% gain, while Israel has advanced 20.8% this year. Turkey shows impressive month-to-date momentum, up 6.1%. Among declining markets today, France leads the losses, dropping 2.7%, while Denmark fell 2%. Spain declined 1.9%, though maintaining a very strong positive trend. Mexico and Australia both show flat price movement despite their overall positive trends. Despite today's declines, longer-term performance remains robust. Spain maintains a substantial 55.6% year-to-date return. Mexico has gained 31.8% this year, while France is up 19.7%. Australia shows more modest gains at 12.4% year-to-date.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. In metals futures, gold futures closed at 3,410.70, marginally lower. Palladium futures experienced the largest decline, down 2.9% to 1,097.70. Aluminum and copper both showed strength, rising for 5 consecutive sessions. Year-to-date returns show significant divergence in metals performance. Silver and gold lead with returns over 29%, while aluminum has posted more modest gains at 1.7%. Palladium shows strong month-to-date losses of 9%. Energy futures showed broad strength today. Natural gas led gains, rising 2.4% to 2.82 after breaking out of a sideways pattern. Heating oil advanced 1.6% amid strong upward volatility. Crude oil continued its upward streak, marking 5 consecutive positive sessions. Looking at returns, energy commodities have faced challenges this year. Natural gas has declined 22% year-to-date, while crude oil is down nearly 10%. Heating oil remains one of the few positive performers, though gains are modest at 1.2%. In livestock, feeder cattle continued its remarkable run, achieving its 6th consecutive all-time closing high. Class 2I milk surged 3%, following a breakout from recent consolidation. Corn extended its winning streak to 5 sessions amid rising volatility. The livestock sector shows impressive year-to-date performance. Feeder cattle leads with a 37% gain, while live cattle has risen 24%. Class II milk remains under pressure, down nearly 12% this year, despite today's strong showing. Mixed movements in grains today as rough rice gained 1.4%, while oats fell 1.1%, breaking downward from recent consolidation. Soybeans declined 1%, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Year-to-date performance shows grains largely under pressure. Rough rice has declined nearly 15%, while corn is down 10%. Soybeans remain one of the few bright spots, up 3.7% this year. Soft commodities showed mixed performance today. Orange juice led gains, surging 6.1% with an upward breakout from recent consolidation. Cocoa advanced 2.1%, though maintaining its strong downward trend. Coffee futures showed continued volatility while maintaining its robust upward trend. Looking at monthly returns, coffee has been the standout performer, gaining 27% this month. Cocoa shows the most significant year-to-date decline at nearly 32%, while orange juice has retreated 47% since the start of the year.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day, just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.